Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about how to solve a mirror cube. So first we have to learn about a normal cube which looks like this. Okay friends, so next to solve a mirror cube you need to find the top highest side of the mirror cube, and this is the top highest side of my Rubik. And then after it you have to make a plus around it, but it should be aligned with these middle pieces. Okay friends, so next you have to make a plus around it. Okay friends, I will show how. 3 2. So after that you have to make a line cube. You have to align the corner pieces of the Rubik like this, so it match with the middle piece of this. Okay, after that you have to solve the second layer. The second you have some complications in second layer, so please concentrate in the video properly so to become a beginner. So firstly you have to check that the which copies will match with this. Yeah, see this piece is matching with it, so we will check by rotating it by side if it will be correct. So yeah, see this, it is aligned with it. So first you have to if you have to rotate the piece to opposite side which it is aligned. Okay, we have rotated, and firstly you have to rotate this side also, like this, and displace the last corner piece and again align with it. So after that you will see that your corner piece has been aligned. You have to do with the all corner sides. After that your second layer will complete properly. So friends, after doing this method with all sides, you will see that your second layer is completely done. So come with the next layer. First you have to hold the Rubik upside down like this and follow the things which I am doing. First you have to find a plus sign around it, like this. We have to check that if it is plus. So see there, there's no plus, so we have to make a plus. See this, this is the alt sign, so you have to do the algorithm which I am repeating. F wait 1 minute. F R U R prime U prime F prime. So see that, yeah, there is a line, that it has become a line. So after that you have to repeat this algorithm again. Front R U R prime U prime F prime. So you will see that the plus has become, and afterwards you will see that it is not properly aligned. So it is one more algorithm. I will give this algorithm in description box, so no worry. So the algorithm was just like R U sorry, I have done with the wrong side. You have to do with the aligned sides. R U R prime U prime R U prime R prime. So you will see that afterwards the side corners has become aligned. After that you have to repeat this algorithm with this side, opposite side to aligned sides. So we will repeat this algorithm. R U R 1 minute. R prime U prime R prime u prime r prime. So you will see that after rotating it one time, you will see that the all sides are properly aligned. This. So our last target is to set the corner sides aligned. You see that these corner sides are now where it is not at its correct place. First you have find that this piece is at correct place, so we will take this piece first. So to align all the sides, you will use this algorithm, which is just like L U R prime U prime L U R prime. So you will see that the after this the pieces are not properly settled, so we will repeat this algorithm. So L U R U prime L U R prime. You will see that after rotating one time, the mainly pieces are set and last two pieces are not properly settled. This is the last algorithm to solve this Rubik's. So see this properly. The algorithm is just like, you have to repeat the algorithm until it get at proper place. So the algorithm is R prime U prime R U prime R prime U prime R U. So see this, the piece is properly settled. Don't worry, the Rubik is disturbed, but at last it will be properly solved. And rotate the side one time and repeat the algorithm. R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R R U. So you will see that after rotating if top side one time, you will see that the Rubik is properly solved. So if you have liked the video, please click the subscribe button, like it, subscribe it, click the bell icon and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.